Welcome to Winnipeg, or the Peg. This is the capital of Manitoba. Historic, freezing, yet warm-hearted. This self-guided walk takes you through its past, present, and personality, one step at a time. We start on Broadway, a grand tree-lined boulevard flanked by heritage buildings. Look around. The Fort Garry Hotel, the provincial law courts, statues, and elms. It's not just a street, it's a civic statement, linking Union Station to the Legislative Building. At the corner of Main and Broadway stands Union Station, a Beaux-Arts beauty from 1911, designed to welcome train travelers with style and ambition. It once rivaled Canadian Pacific's power, serving 3 major rail lines. You'll see symmetry, limestone arches, and a ceiling that seems to lift with optimism. Inside, the old train platforms, tunnels, and steel canopies tell stories of migration, expansion, and dreams on rails. And soon, this place will become a new transit hub, proof that Winnipeg always moves forward without forgetting its past. We arrive at the Forks, where the Red and the Assiniboine rivers meet. For 6,000 years, this has been a gathering place. Inside the Forks Market, old rail stables now house food stalls, craft beer taps, and artisan shops. Grab a bite, sip a brew, and soak in the energy. Next door, Johnston Terminal, a 1929 freight building, now blends historic bones with boutiques and restaurants. It's Winnipeg's past repurposed, alive and bustling. Outside, walk through the Forks National Historic Site. Interpretive paths and riverside views tell the story of trade, travel, and Indigenous heritage. We end at Portage and Main, Winnipeg's most famous crossroads. It's seen strikes, parades, rallies, and 40 years of wind so fierce pedestrians were once banned. Still, it remains the symbolic heart of the city. So there you have it, a city shaped by rivers, railroads, resilience, and above all, people. Winnipeg might be called Winterpeg by some, but those who know it well, they call it one great city under the sun. Thanks for walking with me.